When we sign in, we will not just have an access on our email account, but as well as with other Google apps collectively known as G Suite. Now, let's navigate the features of the Google applications.
On the upper right area of your screen, you will see a 9 dots icon that says Google Apps. Here, you will have an access with your other G Suite applications. To start with, we have Gmail, a web-based email service, Google Docs, like Microsoft Word, Google Sheets, like Microsoft Excel, Google Slides, like Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Drive, a file storage service where you can create, share, collaborate, and keep all your files, Google Forms, used for surveys and other basic information gathering activities, Calendar, intended to help keep track of time and schedules, Chat, a communication app that provides direct messages and team chat rooms, Meet, a video conferencing application, Classroom, this is where our course instructors or professors and students can communicate easily, create classes, distribute work, and stay organized.